guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing another charity shop haul, but this one's a bit chaotic. We've got stuff from various thrift shops, charity shops, and I also got something from eBay as well. So it's just a second-hand haul basically, because I'm a big fan of kind of sustainable fashion and second-hand stuff, and my mum and I, it's almost become like a sport for us, or a hobby. We love to do it. We love to get our fabrics from there, so we don't just get clothes that are ready to wear, we'll get things that we can then turn into other things, and it's just a really fun kind of cycle, because anything we don't want, we then give to charity, and it just kind of just revolves around. So yeah, we really love it. So I'll start with the eBay item. So I have a massive love for weird leather items. So things that have been handcrafted in like unusual kind of earth sciencey shapes. So I came across this bag and I fell in love with it. So it almost reminds me of like a woodlouse or a beetle or an armadillo. Like I just love the way the leather's been done. So it opens like this. Now it reminds me a little bit of a bowling ball bag. It literally is like a ball. But in my defense, because it was so cheap, I presumed, it must be much smaller. I was expecting like a small little bag, so I didn't expect it to quite be so large. And the way eBay works is I found it and it only had like 15 minutes left or something like that. So I didn't have time to check anything. I just thought, you know what, we're just gonna go for it. And I kind of love that it's huge. But anyway, look at the quality of it. It like folds into itself. It's amazing. Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? I'm absolutely in love with it. Now the only thing is it's a little bit long, the length that the strap is. So I'll show you in a second, I'll just put it back. So this is the length it comes as. So it's right on my hip there. So when I kind of walk, it's almost like a game. It just bounces off of me. So I think I'm gonna add some more holes into the strap here and turn it into a shoulder bag. I'm thinking like that. I think then it's really cute. I think it works better above my hip, so that's what I'm thinking. So it needs a little bit of work, just a few holes punched into the strap, and then I think it'll be perfect. But just how amazing is that? Just fell in love with it, had to have it, zero regrets. So whilst we're on the topic of bags, I'll show you the other bags I got. Now I got this one from my local pound shop. So everything in this shop is a pound. Shoes, bags, clothes, the whole thing, and it's still crazy to me. And I fell in love with, look at all the colours. This is literally going to go with everything, and it's a really nice size. So we've got all these different colour leather and suede patches. So it's just like this, and it's just kind of like a shoulder bag, so it's almost like a tote bag. You know, I can get quite a lot in it, I can get folders in it if I need any work with me or some stuff like that. It's just really practical, and I loved it. I just couldn't leave it, and it was £1. I just love it. And it's gonna go with loads of like, I'll wear it when I wear like bright colour outfits that match one of the squares or rectangles. I think that'll be a really cute way to like style it, so I just love that. And then a few weeks ago it was the Queen's Jubilee in England, and so I was wearing red, white and blue to like go to like the celebrations. And I found in my pound shop this little handbag, and I just thought it's too cute. It matched too well, and it's actually a really nice size, and it fits my phone in it. That's my one requirement with handbags, is it must fit my phone, because I literally, phones just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and I've now got a few gorgeous little bags, but my phone doesn't fit in them, so they're almost pointless, because the main reason you have a bag is to put your phone, keys, and you know, wallet or whatnot, and if it can't fit your phone, you still have to hold it. It's just, to me, it's really annoying when bags don't fit a smartphone, but they have got bigger over time, so you know. So now, I've got one more accessory. We have this, so I'm not really a hat person, never have been. I just don't think I work them. I know I am wearing a Doctor Who t-shirt, so it might just not be selling it, but I think I've got like the wrong face for them. But I thought this one, with like a nice little green summer dress, I think I can work it. It was just, I loved the colours of it, and so I thought, if I'm gonna have a hat, I want a green one, and so that's what I did. But yeah, I wish I suited like the big floppy hats or something like that, because I think they are gorgeous. They're just not quite, I don't know, I just don't have the head shape for hats. Some people look so cute in them, and then I put them on and I'm like, what is this? I think I suit baseball caps a little bit better. But anyway, I thought nice floppy hat. When I eventually have a nice holiday somewhere hot, it will come in useful. So then, going back to the Doctor Who t-shirt, I did pick this one up for £1 from my local charity shop. So this was a men's, I think it's like a men's medium or something like that, but I loved it. Trust me, I'm the Doctor. I thought that's quite fun. So it's just like a throw on top because why not? So now let's move on to shoes and then I'll do clothes. So I got 2 pairs of boots. Now, the boots I find in my local shops are a joke. Like, I keep getting so lucky. So I found these black leather ones. These were 50p. They had a bucket outside the shop where shoes were all half price. They were a little bit rough looking, but all they needed was a little, like, just a clean. I literally just had to wipe them clean. And now they look like this. Like, sorry? These are literally almost, I think they've been worn not even a few times. Like, they are in perfect condition. And I've got, I don't want to say fat calves, muscular calves, or just genetically larger calves than the average person, because I can never find boots that will go round my calves, like the zips just won't go up. Like, they're not abnormally large, they just, apparently with boots, I've got larger calves than the average person. But my mum has the same, so it's alright, we deal with that together. But these fit perfectly and I love the style of them. I'm obsessed. 50p. 50p. That is just, can't even get a chocolate bar for that nowadays. Like, I can't get over how cheap they were. And then I also picked up these brown suede like sock boots, and these were £1. So these are just a really nice addition. I think in the winter with like, not even in the winter actually, maybe even in like springtime with like a nice like brown mini skirt or a little jumper dress, they kind of just come up just below my knee, and I think they'll just add like a really nice kind of bit of style to my outfit. I just love them. They're proper chocolate as well. They're so nice. Obsessed. I still just can't believe it. Like, everything you've seen so far, minus the eBay bag, I spent £4.50 on all of that. It's ridiculous. Like, I'm gonna have to start giving, I feel like to my local shops I'll have to give my time, because I think it's so much more valuable than money. You know, the way it all works, the system, I think obviously money is useful, but they're always in need of volunteers, charity shops, so I think once I'm settled, that's what I'll do. But then I also have, so these are now, we're getting onto my fabric. So I go to charity shops sometimes to pick up just, if they've got really nice fabrics for £1, that's cheaper than you'll ever find that fabric anywhere else, and then I can use it for other projects. So my mum and I, we get a lot of joy out of buying something in one condition and then turning it into something completely different. So we like doing our DIY projects. So I'll show you what I picked up. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with it all yet, but I got this baby blue top and I loved the embroidery on it. I thought it almost looks like a butterfly. So at the moment it is on the larger side, but I feel like I can definitely make something cute for summer out of this. Still working on what it is, but I thought for £1 I could have some fun with that, because that's all it is. It's just lots of fun. So I liked that. Then I picked up this maxi dress. Now, believe it or not, this is like a size 12 or something like that, and I just love the fabric. So it's got like a mesh overlay, and it almost looks like chainmail from a distance. Like, it's that kind of silvery, like dark grey, and I just loved it. I thought I can definitely do something with this. So it looks like that, and then it does have a bit of lining just where you need it. So you can see it's opaque there, and then it's see-through there. So I'm going to make something out of this, and I don't know what it is yet. It probably will be a dress, but I just have to have a play around. But I just loved the fabric, and you get so much of it as well. This is like a maxi dress. There's loads of it, so I'll have some fun with that, I'm sure. Now this one, I actually bought this for my grandma. So it's this gorgeous velvet, like embroidered jacket. So I bought it for my grandma, but turns out, this is going to make you laugh, she had one that was very similar, so I decided to keep it. So this is a horrific look, I know, I've got a Doctor Who top on underneath, and also the buttons do not go with this whatsoever, but hear me out. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to turn it into like, so we're going to fold this under like this, and, or actually are we going to fold it over? I think I'm going to fold it over. So I'm going to give it a collar, and then I'm going to turn it into like a wrap top. So it'll be like that, and then with like high-waisted like jeans or like a nice little skirt, I think it's going to look really, really cute. This is probably impossible for any of you to visualize because I'm literally wearing a bright blue top, but trust me, this one's gonna turn out really good. So I will try and film videos as and when I do these projects, but I just thought I'd show the fabric because literally, if you don't want to wear like secondhand clothing, which you're missing out massively if that's your thinking, but if you're not like a fan of that, go there for fabric. I mean, it's amazing the stuff you can find, and then you can make anything out of it really. So I'm now going to show you the rest of the clothing items I picked up. So it's all a bit colour coordinated actually, it's all like green and red. But I got another t-shirt, so I got this one. Then I absolutely love this one. I got this sloth one. So it says, "Sloth hiking team, we will get there when we get there," and it's just so perfect. So I'm a geologist by day, that's my job now. I'm just finishing up my masters, and I feel like this is just going to be so funny when I'm doing field work because, you know, I always get there and I always do the walking, but yeah, I am more of a sloth than anything else. I love it. I just think it's so perfect. So I'll try all of these on in a second for you. And then I picked up this gorgeous little top. Like, how cute is this? It's very like gypsy, off the shoulder. I love anything with roses on it because I have a thing for red and green, and roses are just perfect for that. So I just thought, so cute, so cute. And then I picked up two skirts. I did so well. So this one is a size 6, so I won't move a lot in it, but it's just gorgeous. So if I can pick one of these up in an 8, it would be a bit better, but it fits my waist really nice. So it's just this lovely like red denim one, and it's got white stitching all over it. It's so nice. I think in the summer with like white Converse, it's going to be gorgeous. And then I also found this, I think this one is a 8, or it might be a 6 as well. This gorgeous green skirt. So it's just got these buttons all down the front, and I love all the seams. It's kind of like a fit and flare, but on me it'll probably just be a fit. So I just thought that's really nice, but neither of them have any stretch. So with mini skirts like this, they have to just fit. Otherwise, yeah, like it's very hit or miss with mini skirts. So when I found these, I was like, yes, thank you. So I'm gonna throw that all on for you now, and we can see what they look like. So this is how the sloth top looks on, and I just think it's so much fun. Like, I can't wait to wear this one. I absolutely love it. Like, how cute is that? And I really like the colours of it. I actually think, yeah, I'm gonna wear this top a lot, I think. It's just got a nice amount of humour to it, but it also looks cute. So no, love this one. But this is what it looks like on, and I absolutely love the top. It's just such an easy like fit for summer. It's not too tight at all, but it's still just really cute, and it's literally my colours. I love it. Now the skirt is gorgeous, but I do, like, it fits really nice. I just wish it was a little bit longer because I can't pull it down at all. It has to sit here. It can't sit any like higher or lower. Like, that's just where it fits me. So I think maybe with a pair of like cycling shorts under it or like running shorts, I can turn it into almost like a skirt and get away with it. But I just need a slight, like just a little bit of extra length would be fabulous. But it is a size 6, so I knew what I was getting into, and it was £1. So I think even if I wear it just a few times, I've definitely got my money's worth. So no, I really love this one. So I'll throw on the green one now, and we can see what it looks like. And this is how the green one fits, and it's just perfect. I think it is a little on the tight side, but because it has so many buttons, I get away with it, so you can't like see down the buttons. So sometimes with skirts like this, when it's pulling on my hips, it can almost gape a little bit. But I think I get away with this one. It is, again, a little bit short, but because of the style of the skirt, I think I get away with it. I'm just going to have to wear these skirts out and about and see if I kind of feel like they're too short or whether I'm comfortable in them. So now that we're getting more into summer, I'm going to actually be able to wear them out and about, but I think they look so cute with the top as well. So I'm hoping I can make them work. This one I think is more workable than the red one just because it's not so tight everywhere. Like I could get shorts under this. I'm not even sure there's space for shorts under the red one if I'm honest. But no, I think it's cute. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe for more. I'll also link all my social media down below if you'd like to check out those. And also my second channel, which is mainly about rocks and geology. So if you're into that type of thing, check it out too. It's just MGems, but the link is in the description box. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.